This is the MFD1 with the display. If you have an aluminum profile rig like I do, the preferred way to mount it is by using the included plastic brackets together with an aluminum profile piece 40 by 80. You will need the screws for the plastic brackets, which are M4 18 millimeters, and mount in the back here. And to mount the aluminum profile piece, you will need some M4 40 millimeter screws with the nuts. And then you can attach everything to your profile rig by using a corner bracket like this. First thing you do is install the plastic brackets to the MFD in this position. You use the smaller screws and they screw in directly. With the plastic brackets attached, you get the 40 millimeter screws in position through the Z1 and X1 holes at the top here. So you need to have all the screws with the nuts attached. With the nuts and the screws in position, here and here, you can take the aluminum piece and slide it in like this, as far up as you like. Then you can proceed and tighten all the screws. Then you can take the corner bracket here and slide it in from the top. In this way, and you can tighten the screw a bit, and now you can mount the MFD to your profile rig. If you had another aluminum profile here, you would just sit the MFD on it and use a screw here to mount it. And then you can have an end cap if you like and cover up this part here like that. To exemplify this mounting solution when using the aluminum profile piece, over here you see the corner bracket and how it goes attached to the rig. Instead of this bracket, you could use an angle connector like this one here, and in this way you would be able to further adjust the angle on the MFD. Another option would be to get one of these clamps from Winwing. And you need some M4 55 millimeter screws with the nuts and washers, because it's gonna be plastic on plastic. Again, you'll have to make use of the included plastic brackets for the mounting solution. This time you'll have to attach them the other way around compared to the first method. I think this is the way that allows for better angle adjustment. With the plastic brackets attached, you can use either the Z1 or Z2 holes to attach this clamp. I'm personally using the Z2s. Do it in this way. So you take the screws. It's preferable to use the washers. Then you align this hole here to the top Z2 hole. Like this. And the second one should go in easily. See? Then you use nuts to secure them in position. With all screws in place and the nuts, you might not want to fully tighten the nuts here and the screws in order to allow for a bit of movement to adjust the angle here, like this. Once you're happy with the angle, you can tighten everything up if you like. And that's it. These go attached to a table or a aluminum profile, 40 millimeters tall. Alright, to exemplify the mountain solution with the clamp here. So first you get the USB cables. This is the display signal and the power to the display. And the other one, which is the signal to the button box. Alright, and this particular MFD I'm using as AMPCD for the FA18, and I mount it with the clamp to make it easier to remove when I need to. Then I tuck these cables away